امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے گرین لینڈ پر ڈنمارک اور نیٹو کو 2 آپشن دے دیے. کہا اگر ہاں کہیں گے تو خوشی ہوگی، نہ کہیں گے تو امریکہ یاد رکھے گا. واضح کر دیا امریکہ نے طاقت استعمال کی تو کوئی روک نہیں پائے گا، لیکن ایسا نہیں کریں گے. ڈیووس میں عالمی اقتصادی فورم سے خطاب میں ڈنمارک اور کینیڈا کو ناشکرہ قرار دے دیا.
No nation or group of nations is in any position to be able to secure Greenland other than the United States. We fought for Denmark. After the war, we gave Greenland back. How stupid were we to do that? But how ungrateful are they now? We need it for strategic national security and international security. I'm seeking immediate negotiations to once again discuss the acquisition of Greenland by the United States. We probably won't get anything unless I decide to use excessive strength and force. I won't do that. You need the ownership to defend it. You can't defend it on a lease. Is this land on which we're going to build the greatest golden dome ever built? We're going to build a dome like no other. We did it. We did it for Israel. And by the way, I told Bibi, stop taking credit for the dome. That's our technology. That's our stuff. They have a choice. You can say yes, and we will be very appreciative. Or you can say no, and we will remember.